Hi everyone! Ahojte! Today in Linguarte, we'll teach you the names of the animals in the Slovak language. Also, we'll show you some related vocabulary. You can find a link in the description where you can download the document with this lesson and practices. Let's start! Začíname! The word for animal is zviera and the plural zvierata. Let's start with our closest ones, our beloved pets. Domáce zvieratko. Dog, pes. Cat, mačka. Bird, pták. Fish, ryba. Hamster, škrečok. Rabbit, zajac. Turtle, korytnačka. Other animals are cow, krava. Pig, prasa. Horse, kôň. Bear, medveď. Polar bear, ľadový medveď. Sheep, ovca. Pigeon, holub. Snail, slimák. Frog, žaba. Duck, kačica. Chicken, kura. Mouse, myš. Spider, pavúk. Snake, had. Squirrel, veverička. Bat, netopír. Fox, líška. Hedgehog, ježko. Goose, hus. Swan, labuť. Some more exotic animals are monkey, opica. Lion, lev. Tiger, tiger. Elephant, slon. Crocodile, krokodíl. Panda, panda. Giraffe, žirafa. Camel, ťava. Wolf, vlk. Kangaroo, klokan. Rhino, nosorožec. Penguin, tučniak. Ostrich, pštros. Whale, veľryba. Shark, žralok. Dolphin, delfín. Jellyfish, medúza. Octopus, chobotnica. Some insects are fly, mucha. Butterfly, motýl. Bee, včela. Mosquito, komár. Ant, mravec. Ladybug, lienka. Other words to talk about animals are mammal, cicavec. Insect, hmyz. Reptile, plaz. Zoo, zoo. Vet, veterinár. Farm, farma. Forest, les. River, rieka. Lake, jazero. Sea, more. Thank you very much for studying with us. We hope you enjoyed the lesson. Let us know in the comments what other phrases you would like to study. If you're interested in learning the Slovak language in a modern way, visit our website to learn more about our courses. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye! Ciao!